see this 12? This car has a 12-cylinder engine. This original right here, only 4 cylinders. Now, obviously the 12-cylinder engine couldn't fit here, so they removed it from here, and now the engine is back here. So this Golf is now a 2-seater, where the original right here had 4 seats. The W12 comes from a Bentley Continental GT because it is part of the Volkswagen Group, and it has 650 horsepower. So as you can see, the body is a bit wider here. There are more air intakes. It's a bit more reinforced. One up here. You have your carbon fiber roof.